I'm Jimmy Blakeney, product designer for Isle. In this video, we're going to talk about the Isle Link system. The Isle Link system, it started out trying to solve a problem, right? So we were trying to solve the problem of how do we create a hybrid paddleboard kayak that gives you all the benefits of a board with nothing on the board, because a lot of people want to use a board for yoga or bringing their pet, lounging on the board. People use it for much more than paddleboarding, right? We wanted a system that would allow you to open it up, have nothing on the board, nothing in your way, no plastic parts, nothing glued on that you could kneel on and get hurt. So we were looking for a solution for that. At the same time, we wanted a way to then accessorize the board with all the accessories you could think of, any configurations you might want, including adding a kayak seat and a foot brace so you could turn it into a sit-on-top kayak. So that's how this system was born. From there, we went through a lot of prototypes, and the system essentially consists of these webbing loops along both rails, right? So the webbing loops run the length of both rails. They're what allows you to leave everything off. You can even remove the bungee on this, for example, and then you have just a wide open deck, or install and attach things to the webbing loops, and that's with our stainless steel G-hook. We developed actually our own custom webbing. This is a polyester webbing that's a custom weave that makes it really, really strong. It's rot resistant. It's great for, being out in the weather like this. We use a heavy duty custom marine grade thread when we actually sew the base of this into the base of the system. So that's what makes the actual webbing loop so durable. And we built it and designed it to withstand up to 100 kilograms for a braking strength for these webbing loops. So they're really, really strong. At the same time, of course, the other end has to be really strong, right? So this G-hook, this is a custom G-hook that we developed because we tested all the G-hooks on the market and we were able to break them. And we over-engineered this. Could have just been like, well, it's strong enough, it'll work as long as people don't, lean too hard. But we wanted to over-engineer this, so we were really confident that you would have to do something really catastrophic to rip these things out. Again, 100 kilogram braking strength on our stainless steel G-hooks, and they're what slide into the webbing loops and make it really easy to install and remove all the accessories that you might want to connect to your board or boat. Looking at this system, it seems maybe it seems simple, but a lot of customization went into this and a lot of testing. And the reason is that the materials matter a lot in order to make it durable and rugged enough to withstand the loads, especially with your kayak seat and your foot brace, or if you're really securing gear down, or if you're transporting your boards. That's the Isle Link system. It's patent pending. This system is now on every single board in the Isle range for 2024. So whether you get a Pioneer, Explorer, Switch, even our Megalodon, you can get our Isle Link accessories, which include our backpacks, seat foot brace, our fishing crate, and we're still developing even more accessories for this system. You can basically get your board and you know that you're gonna be able to add these accessories as they come out. That's the Isle Link system.